Hello there! It's me again. In this video, I'll show you what VLOOKUP function can do. The VLOOKUP function is a pre-made function in Excel, which allows searches across columns. Other than using it to create a search box in the spreadsheet, we can also use this function to fill in the table for data from other sources. To use VLOOKUP, type equal VLOOKUP, open parentheses. Click the lookup value. This will be the cell where the argument will be based on. Highlight the whole table where the argument will be looking for. Type comma to know the index number. Count the number of column of the table you highlighted earlier. Then count on what column you will find the data you want to appear. Next, type false to get the exact match. Press enter. Copy the formula for the last name by holding the corner of the cell and drag to the other cell. Notice that there is an error, but don't worry. Click the cell to see what goes wrong. If you like this video, please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you. The table rows move after copying to the next cell. Just click the red edge to drag the range to its proper place. Index number by 2 because the last name is in the second column of the table array. The lookup value was also been moved. Just drag it back to where it should be. Highlight the two cells and double-click this corner to copy the formula up to the rest of the cells. You might encounter this error after copying the formula. This happened because the range from the formula was automatically moved. Resolve this error by doing this trick to the formula. This will stop the formula from automatically moving the range. Add $sign between the cell name like this. To the same to this cell. There you have it. No more errors. Hope you learned. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.